Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Well, today I'm going to be doing a side-by-side comparison on a dupe for the Huda Beauty Obsessions palettes. I picked this up off of Wish, and let's see if it is the same quality and colors as the original. I picked up a couple different shades so we can do one eye each way. So if you want to see how this turned out, then you're in the right place. But before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment, hit that subscribe button right down here. And there's a bell next to it. Make sure you hit that as well so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. So again, if you want to see how this turned out, just keep watching. Alright guys, just like it kind of said in the intro, I am going to be doing one eye with the real Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions or Warm Brown. I have both of them, along with a dupe I found off of wish.com. Now, let me explain to you why I got these. I got them because when I looked at the photo they had, and I will insert a photo over here of what they had for the cover of this, it said nothing about Huda Beauty. It had a totally different design on the front. So I thought they were just going for the color scheme, not trying to pass these off as a Huda Beauty dupe. So I was a little bit shocked when I got them. So anyway, what I want to do is one eye with each of these, and we'll see how close the colors are, if at all. A couple of things I'll tell you right away that I did spot as differences. Huda Beauty has magnets in hers, so they will like kind of stick to each other. These ones, and I've kept them in the little plastic sleeve that it came in so I would know which was which, do not have that at all. So that's one of the main differences. If we look on the back, this is the real one, this is the fake one. You can see they went through a lot of work to get them to look the same. However, this one is obviously a, wait, this one, the fake one, does not have the sticker on it. The real one does have a sticker on the back, so all this information is a sticker. Inside, the colors are way off. So again, real one, fake one. So you can see the colors really aren't even close with each other. So this is the Mauve Obsessions. And let's take a look at the Warm Brown Obsessions. They both have mirrors inside. So Warm Brown, a little bit closer, I would say, a little bit closer. So again, a way you can always tell is you're going to have that magnet inside. If they don't stick to each other, then you know. So I think I'm going to work out of the Warm Brown for the most part. Let me get these out of my way. And I'm going to start with the real one on this side. I'm going to take that shade right there and use that all over my lid. Actually, let me zoom you in real quick so you can get a closer look as to how this is looking. All right, let's get started here. Just going to use the mirror out of each one for the most part. This is kind of a yellowish color. It's going on very nice. And I'm going to clean that brush off real quick and go in with the fake one. Let's get a little more on there. Now, that's barely showing up. Doesn't have a lot of pigment, I'll put it that way. And I am digging into this, which I didn't have to do with the real Huda one. Okay, pretty close, pretty close. All right, now I'm going to go in my transition shade. I'm going to use this brown right here in the middle. pigmented and is blending out very easily. It's really, there, that was quick. Okay, let's dig into the dupe. I'm really swirling in this. Okay, that's turning out really patchy already. Yeah, okay. Okay. All right, now I want to go into this beautiful orange shade, and I'm going to take that into my crease. Lean my brush off. That just applies so easily. This one looks a lot more orange than the original. I mean, like pumpkin orange. Ooh, see that? That one's going on a lot better, but it's too much actually. Definitely a different shade. Okay. I'm going to take it one step further. I'm going to go into this brown shade here in the corner. Lightly go right into the crease. So I'm going to tilt my head back, barely have my eye open, and I'm going into my own natural crease this time. I'm not going all the way in. This brown is a little bit lighter. It's a good thing I'm not going anywhere today. Okay. Other than the orange being off, I think it looks pretty good. So let's work on the lid now. I'm going to take, well, what do I want to do? I think I'm going to take this shade again and go back all over my lid with that and kind of carve that out. Almost went into the other eye with that. Just a little bit not as yellow. It's probably not picking up on the monitor, but it is. And then I'm going to take another flat brush and I'm going to go into the center shade, which is this gold right here. Please ignore my nails. Since I was sick, I had to cancel my nail appointment. Okay, that is very buttery. When I just tapped into it, you can see the indentation it made with my brush. Okay, and I'm just going to go on the outer part of my lid. I'm going to start off with it dry, and then we'll go to a wet brush and see what that does. I'm not getting any fallout with that whatsoever, so very, very pretty. Even this gold looks quite a bit different, and it's definitely not as soft because it's not getting like dug into when I go into it with my brush. Okay. It's got more glitter in it, that's for sure. Still no fallout, so that's good. All right, let's wet it and see what happens. Before I do that, let me kind of close my eyes and come up close so you can see what it looks on both eyes. Okay, that really brought it up a notch. You see that? It is definitely not nearly as foiled looking at all. So again, let me come in a little bit closer and let you see. See how that one is very foiled, and that one's just a little bit. Night and day, big difference. Okay, let's work. You know what? Let's go into the mauves to work on the lower lash line. I'm not going anywhere today, so I don't care how my makeup looks. And again, let's show these side by side because they are so far off from each other. Yeah, way off from each other. All right, I'm going to take my smudge brush here, and let's take this center tan shade, and I'm going to go all underneath my lower lash line with that. Still not showing up. That's good. Oh well, we tried to build it up, not so much. And then I'm going to take, let's go in with my Sigma E65. Let's take this deep maroon brown shade there. Mauvy brown, call it that since this is the Mauve Obsessions palette. And I'm going to take that right up along my lower lash line. Pretty that color is. Rinse and repeat on the other side. We will try to rinse and repeat on the other side. Just not there, folks. Okay, one other thing I want to do since we're in here, and this is driving me crazy, I'm going to go into this shade right here, and I'm going to put that in the very center of my lid. Actually, you know what? Let's go on the inner corner where we just did that kind of cream shade. I want to see how these colors differ. And again, once I put my brush in there, it really digs in there. Ooh, got a lot of fallout though. A lot of fallout. It's very pretty. Again, I'm going to start off with it dry, and then we're going to go back and get it wet. So that one's kind of digging in a little bit with my brush. It's not quite the same color. This is a little bit more bubblegum pink, where this has some of the mauve shade in it. I think it went on really good. And I didn't get any fallout from that side at all. Let's go ahead and get the brush wet and see how that goes. Back to the real side. didn't know I was going to be doing a smoky eye this late at night. I'm filming a whole bunch of videos in a row late at night because I've been sick. I need to get caught up. All right, that's it. Let me go ahead and put on some lipstick and some mascara, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I am back, and before we get into the talking about the eyeshadow palettes, let me just tell you what I have on for my face today. I have the Grande mascara on. I will tell you guys, I went in and I did another self-perm on my lashes, and I did not take into account that I've been using CarePro, so my lashes were a lot longer. I didn't do the ends very well, and they actually kind of want to flip back on me, so I'm constantly trying to push it forward. Makes it a little more difficult to get mascara on my upper lashes there. But anyway, that's what's going on there. And then for my lips, I just picked up the Physicians Formula MURUMURU. I would say that wrong. It's their new butter lipstick. This is in the color Mauvin to Brazil. It's got an SPF of 15 on it, and as you can see, it's very, very shiny. It does get on your teeth, and it is not at all transfer resistant. So just kind of forewarning you on that. But it's very comfortable, especially because my lips have been so really chapped from being sick. So glad I have that. Okay, let's talk about these. Again, I'm very disappointed. When I wrote my review on Wish, I even, called them out on the fact that I got the one that says Huda Beauty, and that's not what was pictured. So I felt like I was really duped in that. I let people know that there are different shades. Now I have worn them, so I can go back in and talk about the consistency and how they were and everything. So the other thing, you don't know what's in these, guys. You can't even read half the stuff on the back because some of the lines are cut off. They obviously have different ingredients because it is a little bit different. Let's see if we can get these focused in. So this is the real one. This is the fake one. Again, the real one has a sticker on the back. The fake one is printed on the back. But they went to a lot of work to get these to look the same, except for it is just got a few extra ingredients in the Huda one compared to this one. So, but we don't know what they are. So I'm going to go wash this off my eyes because I certainly don't want to go around with it on. I don't know what could be in it. So guys, just stick with the real thing. It's worth it. You don't want to be doing anything that can cause any harm to your skin. Again, you don't know where this came from, so it's not worth jeopardizing, especially your eyesight when you're doing something around your eyes. So anyway, thanks so much for watching, you guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, why? Just go ahead and do it. It's just a little subscribe button. That's all you got to do. Hit that and then the little bell next to it. That way you'll be notified when I upload new videos. That's every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. That does help me out. And feel free to leave me any comments, questions, videos you would like to see me do. Come on, you guys. It's the first of the year, and I need some new ideas. I want to see what it is you guys are wanting from me to do. So leave me some suggestions down below. So until next time, I love you all, and bye-bye.